Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. This video is a roadmap for you to become a provider of specialized medical equipment, SME services in Oregon. These services give individuals with disabilities and chronic medical conditions access to essential devices like hospital beds, mobility aids, and adaptive equipment to support their health and independence at home. The process to become a provider requires you to establish your business, enroll with the Oregon Health Plan, OHP, through the Oregon Health Authority, OHA, and obtain any necessary licensing from the Oregon Board of Pharmacy. Upon approval, you can begin accepting referrals from case managers at the Oregon Department of Human Services, ODHS. Need expert help? Waiver Consulting Group serves as your dedicated resource for a compliant launch by assisting with business registration, Medicaid enrollment, and creating a custom policy and procedure manual. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172